guys, welcome to the video, and today we're going to be unboxing this. It's a birdhouse and, no, not a birdhouse, a bird feeder, and you stick it on your window. I had one before, but my mum had a feeling it would fall on someone's head. So, we're unboxing it. We got, so here's this thing. Right, you take it, so if I remember from the last experience I had with these, you just, you take this, right, and you have to, squeeze it on. This is gosh darn hard. Because it looks really weird. Don't mind our little conversation. Where'd my other ones go? Oh, there. Ugh. Yeah, so we're getting this stuck on. Here we go. We're getting there, you know. Got 1 out of 3. That's good. 1 out of 3. That one. Yeah, pretty sure it's on. That's my other one. Okay. That sounds like it's stuck in the corner. It's stuck in the corner. If I try and get it out, I can't. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. Got it out. Right, let's put this little baby on. He laughed my video. Okay, and that's our bird feeder set up. So when you stuck it on your window, and it would, little birdies would come and eat it.